Let's go.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. This is a wire stripper I got off of eBay. I attached my drill to it. Get the wire, put it in here. Go on the other side so you can see what's going on here. See that there? And I come over here and see this. Take the end of it here. Already ready to go. And that's how easy it is. Get the wire right off. And this thing adjusts it to what size I want, how thickness of the thing. And do like that. It works perfect. And you got perfect wire, and it works great. So I recommend this wire cutter, wire stripper. I got it off of eBay for $69 and $65. $65.99. It's a great wire stripper. Take a look at it.
Does it have a brand name?
Nope. You look it up on eBay. I don't have the name on it handy. Took the handle off, my drill on here, and it works great. Great little device.
Well, what's your favorite type of tools to use?
Milwaukee. Yeah, I'm gonna sign off. Have a good night. Have a good day.